If you received a suspicious email alert, this video is for you. This guide is for security analysts and security teams. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to investigate an email in Proofpoint. Go to System. Then open Smart Search and select Search Now. Search using specific sender, recipient, subject, or message ID. Click the plus icon to open the email details. Here, review the verdict to understand if Proofpoint classified the email as malicious or clean. If the final rule shows pass, it means the email was allowed because it didn't trigger any blocking rules. Next, check attachment analysis to see if any files were detonated or flagged. Then review URL analysis to identify malicious or rewritten links. If the email is confirmed malicious, take action immediately based on your Security Operations Center process. In the next video, I'll show you how email quarantine and remediation works in Proofpoint.